every spotlight, every sound you hear. That's us. We're the ones who bring every moment on stage to life. We ensure everything's set, down to the smallest detail.
The stage gets the spotlight, but it's the hands behind them that make it shine. From morning assemblies to concerts, we handle light, sound, and stage setup. But is that all?
Definitely not. Beyond technical support, we design, edit, and create, turning creativity into impact. Every moment we capture becomes a story showcasing our school vibrant spirit.
Interested? Come join us and be part of this story.
Story